everybody, to the Keifer cooking hour. Just eat it, It's fresh. Pretty good, right?
Who the hell in their right mind would give you their cooking license?
Freeze! You're under arrest, sir! No! There's an egg!
Who's getting a call from the president?
I don't know.
Why are we going to the storage closet?
Alright, you see, don't tell anyone this, but our most dangerous prison inmate is in there as we speak.
Well,
Keep him locked up. What?
But it's the storage closet. We don't keep a lock in the storage closet, though. Does he know that?
We may want to invest in that.
We should.
Hey! Pretty good. Hey! What?
Got a call from someone very important.
Oh. Yeah, who is this? The president? Oh, I was just talking to my best friend, the snowman in my cell. All the gruesome murders I've caused. What's that, Mr. President? You need me to cook for you. Mr. President? With pleasure.
We quiet them down.
Welcome back, everybody, to the Keifer Cooking Hour. Now, I bet all of you fine folks are wondering what I'm going to be making today, especially that special fan who isn't the president and broke me out of jail. Well, let me tell you, today I'm going to be making beef ramen, something never before seen on this show. But before we can make the ramen, we're going to need some, spices in a bowl. So let's go to our closet.
Fuck, not you again.
Man, it smells like awesomeness in there.
Get out.
Wow, that wasn't planned.
Come out now.
Now we all know where the ramen's kept. Oh, I'm not in there. Alright, how could I have forgotten? Silly me. What is this? Beef ramen. Perfect. Now, as Boy Scout Boy said, we need to tenderize this ramen. Slam dunk. I missed the light switch. Now that the ramen is properly tenderized, we need to get to the cutting. Man, this reminds me of my ex-wife, who randomly disappeared. As you attentive fans at home may have noticed, this cutting isn't really working. So you know what time it is. Now that the ramen is properly smashed,
Keifer, the cooking
we need a
hour.
bowl.
No,
Let's go get that.
last time. He's in the same spot. He's in the same spot.
Gotta reach up here.
20
Perfect.
minutes. You can kill someone in 20 minutes.
Cameraman.
You can imagine me as part of 2
Hey, what are you doing over here? Boy Scout Boy.
Hey,
Who are you calling?
Papa John's. Why? You want some?
No. I don't.
Okay.
But he's in our spot.
Get back over here. We got a show to record.
Help me.
Both of you. God. Unprofessional. Now that it's properly smashed. Perfect. As like last time, gotta run it underneath the sink.
Hold on. This is...
What?
Remember the last time we had this in here?
Yeah? And you like the ramen. Did something happen with it?
Yeah.
What was the issue?
Let's just say that the powder
was mush when you put it in there.
How would I fix that?
Don't put it in the water.
Perfect. We won't use water.
Oh, we have to use water though.
Why?
When you put it in the hot pan, it could explode. Don't want to go to jail again for stuff.
I like those odds. And now that it has properly been watered, we can go ahead and cook it. Here. And as we all know, that's gonna take a while to cook. So we'll be back after these short messages. Fun fact, everybody, my podcast went up 0 listeners. Kinda sucks. But I guess just the ad sucked. So let me advertise you something else. The Keifer Music Hour. We got jams and hams, food and tunes. So make sure to listen. Like, what kind of foods do we have? Well, for one, Slim Jims. Slim Jims. Slim Jims, please sponsor us. I love your memes.
Oh, fuck!
He loves it. Sorry about that short intermission. And I'm positive you like this ad way more, so I'm sure those numbers are going to be rising to the hundreds over the week. I'll catch you next time. Still here? The ad's over. Go home. Go listen to my music. What's wrong with you?
Oh, hi there. Boy Scout Boy here. Here to introduce to you a new Depressio product. Introducing Honey Nut Depressios. Feeling sad? Feeling lonely inside? Well, these bad boys, they're gonna fix that. They're gonna make you even more sad and depressed. But this time, to help ease the pain, they're Honey Nut. Introducing Honey Nut Depressios. Don't like them? Don't worry, I'll call the army on you. Again, Depressios.
Hey, Chef Man, we're almost done filming.
He's not leaving room for the ramen.
I could eat more food.
You better. What? I hear beeping. Let's check the microwave. Ah, perfectly cooked. We all know where to set that. And now, what time is it? What time is it? That's right, everybody. It is time for yet another Freshen It Up Minute. We got all these ingredients. So let's get started. First, salt. Perfect for ramen.
He wants to kill it from salt poisoning, I see. Okay.
That's right. Now, normally, you don't want to use such primitive tools, but we at least don't want to murder Boy Scout Boy. So just, yeah. You know, some of the classic. And obviously, next we're gonna have some of this. Now, I've been advised not to put too much of this in. We'll see how that goes. We're gonna keep it fresh. You know. Perfect! Alright. Next, club soda. Everybody needs a bit of this every now and then. Ah, perfect. Sorry we keep cutting out. Lightning struck directly into the building, so we're having a bit of issues. But next, we're gonna have some syrup. Open this. Alright. Now we don't want too much of this, because we actually have 2. you know, I know how to keep it fresh. Alright, next, pure vegetable, healthy. Now, let's attempt to put a tiny bit. You don't want too much freshness with this. Alright. Gotta be very careful, guys. Extremely. Oh! Might have been too much. It's okay. Keep it fresh. Alright. This. Yes. Why? Alright. Now, we have a fork just for this occasion. Fresh. Alright. Next, vinegar. Now, also been advised not to do too much of this. Boy Scout boy? Alright. There's already some in the lid. Perfect. So we'll just let that. Or it's not going to go in. Alright. Perfect. I don't think this could be any more fresh. But that's where you're wrong, because we're going to make it even more fresh. Because this is where we come in with the olive oil. Now this is perfect. Precise must be fresh. Alright. Now, next shall be this. Rice vinegar. Must taste like rice. It just makes sense. Let's put some of that in. You know, we want perfect. Next, this one I mentioned earlier. We're gonna have round 2 of maple syrup. This will be so fresh by the time we're done with it. Making the Canadians proud with that one. Alright. Now, everybody's good friend from high school. Quaker Oats. It appears that somebody wasn't fresh enough. So we won't be using Quaker Oats. It's always Quaker Oats. Hershey's Cocoa. Now, I don't know where I put this. Perfect. This, we don't want to use this. Just a tad. We want to sprinkle that everywhere. Amazing! So fresh! Now, next, this is where we may lose some viewers, but trust me, as the chef, I know this is what's right. We want a whole Oreo into the ramen. This one, oh, look at that, everybody. Fresh. So, you may be thinking, you want to put it in gently. No, we want to slam dunk. Amazing. It just fits there perfectly. Now, this is where the granola bar comes in. We want this to be as fresh as possible. So, we open this granola bar. We take a chunk. We also slam dunk that in there. Amazing. And now this is where we take chicken noodle soup. We only want a tiny bit of this, yet again. So I'm just gonna calmly, amazing. Now everybody, that ramen is fresh. And oh, how can I forget the beef packets? Now this wouldn't be beef ramen without them. So slam dunk, and now it's ready. Wash my hands. And now we're ready. Ladies and gentlemen, let's recap. It's been tenderized, it's been smashed, we've had no water put in, and it's been cooked. And then we freshened it up So now it's the time that all of you have been waiting for. Boy Scout Boy's gonna have a taste. Bring this over to him. Boy Scout Boy! You know what time it is. Take a smell. You got it. I prepared that just for you. Round 2. You said you saved some room.
Chef, will this kill me if I eat it?
Maybe.
Oh dear God.
Taste test time.
Can I plug my nose?
No.
But please.
Compliments to the chef.
I will send
No.
to him. Please let me plug my nose. I'm plugging my nose. Oh God.
It's so fresh. Oreo!
It's warm.
How's it taste? Fresh, right? What?
I know last time I said who gave you a license. Who in the right mind let you out of prison?
The president!
Are you sure it was him? He sounded Indian.
What?
Are you sure it was the president?
Of course.
This tastes like, it feels like I am made entirely out of urethras, and each and every one is having a red hot catheter put in and pulled out 5 times a second. My entire tongue is on fire from the taste of this, and it wants to kill itself. Please end me, I am suffering.
That's how you know it's fresh! Have you never made ramen?
This is the opposite of fresh. As a chef, you should know that.
I'm gonna make Sans look like a joke.
He probably
It
tastes,
was fresh!
his bones taste better than this, probably. Thank you.
That is food worthy of the president. I was freed for this. It was perfect.
That was the mistake. I'm done with you. I'm done with you, chef.
You're gonna regret this, Boy Scout boy.
I'm done with you. I can't. Yes, 911.
Is that the police?
Is he still recording?
Hello, sir. We got a call from someone that sounded very distressed. Will this happen to be you? Okay.
Yes, sir. Are you here for the chef, sir?
I am. I do not fit.
Okay.
He's in here?
Yes. Please be careful. He made me eat really warm Oreo mush. It was disgusting.
What's the quit?
Freeze!
What?
You're under arrest, sir.
No.
Turn around!
What do you mean?
Turn!
I haven't permission to be here.
For the last time, it was not the president. It was an Indian scammer.
The scammer?
Yes.
That's not the president. Turn around.
What?
Use brute force.
What do you mean?
Turn around!
What do you mean? Turn around! I'll stay! I'll get out! No! I'll make it fresh! I'll keep cooking! Boy!
Are you filming this?
Yeah.
I'm sorry you'll have to see this. This guy,
I'll get out!
the criminal. Get away from him! If you see him, get run! Get over here.
Oh my God.
Under multiple.
You have no evidence!
I have plenty of evidence.
I'm just
You
gonna
killed
get
them.
fresh!
You killed them.
Boy.
Let's get going.
No.
Criminal.
Screw you,
Stop.
chef.